everyone, and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. It's finally spring. We're outside at the campsite. We're doing some product reviews today. This next one is from Safe Hitches, who is actually making something other than hitches. We're going to cover this next, so stay tuned. Alright, we actually have a couple of different Safe products we're reviewing today. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see what's in the other bag. But the one that we're doing today is this one. Now this one has the optional shoe scraper. We're going to cover this in a separate video. But this is what we're covering today. That is the flapjack. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set this up. Now this has a nice magnet here in the middle. That'll be very useful here in a moment. We've got the center portions. There's the opposite side of the magnets here on both sides. It's universal, doesn't matter what side is up or down. And your splines just kind of spread out just like that. And here's the bottom magnet here. Lining things up till it snaps in place, and that magnet is not letting go. Line the edges up here with the edges on the bottom. Again, snaps into place, not going anywhere. Now you might be going, yeah, that's nifty, that's great, so what? Here is a stack of Camco blocks. Now, nothing wrong with Camco blocks. They're great. They're very useful. But I have 7 of these here, plus this little ridge at the top one, and it's just under the height of this. So you'll need 7 or 8 of these Camco blocks to achieve the same height as this. And like I said, nothing wrong with Camco blocks. They're very useful. You should probably have a set of these anyway. But when you're done with this, this is, of course, a lot smaller than this, making a lot easier to store. One or more of these takes up the same amount of space as the Camco blocks.